Today we will talk about the difference between bailable and non-bailable offences. Both the offences, bailable as well as non-bailable, is defined under one section. That is section 2A of CRPC and section 2C of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. There is no difference between the definition given in CRPC or in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Both the laws defined it as any offence which is shown as bailable or non-bailable in the schedule 1 of the law. It means to determine whether an offence is bailable or non-bailable, we have to check column 5 of schedule 1 of CRPC or column 5 schedule 1 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. But to know the difference between the two, we need to refer the provisions of bail given under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. From that, we come to know that in case of bailable offences, a bail is a right of the accused. It means whenever a police is comes to arrest the accused, he can claim bail as a matter of right, and police officer is bound to release that person on bail provided he is ready to furnish it. Whereas in case of non-bailable offences, it is not the right of the accused, rather it is the discretion of the court to give bail or not to give bail. In case of non-bailable offences, number of factors are taken into consideration while deciding the bail of the person, such as the nature of the offence, particulars of the offender, the impact of the offence on the society at large, and the chances of the accused to get absconded. These are the factors which are taken into consideration by the court while releasing a person on bail in non-bailable offences. Now, the other major difference is with regard to the person who can give bail. Now, in case of bailable offences, both police officer and court are equally entitled to grant bail. But in case of non-bailable offences, of bail can only be given by the court and not by the police officer. This is the major difference, that in case of non-bailable offences, only court is authorized to grant bail, whereas in bailable offences, both police and court are empowered to grant bail. I hope you are clear about the difference, and if there is any doubt, please comment.